Hey guys, it's me, it's your girl, yeah, that's Sydney, coming at you live in color with another video. As you can see, I'm giving y'all something different. I don't know if I've ever looked like this on my channel. Actually, I have, but this is my fro right now. I had it in single strand twist for like almost a week, and then I took them out, and they've been out for like 3 or 4 days. But today is wash day because I get my hair done tomorrow. So I'm in the parking lot of Walmart because I have to get some things. I already have a new shampoo and conditioner I'm about to use. Hopefully it's good. But I want to get a pre-poo. So I'm either going to get an already made pre-poo, or I'm just going to get like some oils. I think I'm going to try avocado oil. And I think I might mix it with coconut oil. I'm not sure yet. And then, yeah, I just got to get a couple of things, like as far as like juice. Not for my hair, just personal. But yeah, let's go see what we can do so we can get this hair ready for protective style. All right, I'm back in the car. So I actually found all the oils I needed. I didn't even get no groceries, like I said, because I didn't feel like, it was a lot of people in here. I didn't feel like going through all that. So I got some avocado oil, and I got some olive oil, and this is coconut oil. Why is it not? There it is. And then I got just some plastic caps. They were $1. There's like 30 of them in here because I'm sick of having to wrap a plastic bag around, child. So yeah, I'm really happy with this twist out though. Like, I wish I would have taken the twist out earlier, but honestly, they probably wouldn't have been as defined as they ended up being. So, but yeah. And then yeah, the only other thing I got was some wipes. If you don't have wipes in your bathroom, child, your booty dirty. Just kidding. But yeah, I had to use some wipes. So on our way back to start the process. All right, so in the bathroom now. This is my hair. I'm recording on my phone right now because for some reason my camera's dead. But of course, this, you know. So I mixed up the oils. Again, it's coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. I put more avocado and olive oil than anything just because, hold on, my light's not even on. There we go. Better light. But because I've pre-pooed with just coconut oil before, and my hair kind of just drinks coconut oil up. It doesn't moisturize it enough, but I did still want to add coconut oil, because it does make my hair soft. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna separate my hair. I usually do 4 sections. I'm too late at that. Let's start with 2. Actually, no, let's just go ahead and do the 4. Be done, child. My sections aren't going to be neat. Oh, okay. That's one section out. That's one section. That's section 2. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back. I'm gonna do the back off camera, and I'll do the front on camera. So catch you in a second. All right, so I've done the back. Not super neat or anything like that, but it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this section. So as y'all can see still like the little coils and stuff. I'm looking in the mirror, so don't mind me, but y'all can see the coils. My hair is actually not dry. I think it looks a little like crispy a little bit, but it's really not. It's actually very moisturized. But what I'm gonna do, because I need to detangle like these curls first, because I don't want it to get knotted up. So I'm gonna use my spray bottle and just kind of damp the section first. Literally just a damp, because the water is gonna help disrupt the curls, so it's like not defined anymore, and it's gonna be easier to comb out. Then I'm gonna take this comb, as you can see I've already used it, it's got hair in it, and just start at the bottom like we all know. Oh, there's a knot right there.
I asked him what service he went to. He said he went to T-Mobile, and it sucked in his words. So he said it was saving money, but it was just
all right.
worth it. So
Yeah, that was a knot. See, I told you. Knots. But yeah, you just gotta comb them out. And this is actually like the most defined twist out I've done, like one of the most defined. So if y'all want to see like the twist out in another video, just comment below, or if you follow me on Instagram. It's another thing I didn't even tell y'all, but make sure y'all are subscribed. Okay, so my hair is another knot. All right, so there it is, like combed out. So now we're just gonna take the oil. Again, I heated up this oil a little bit to melt down the coconut oil and to just mix it together, and so it could be like a hot oil treatment too. If you've never pre-pooed, pre-pooing is really good for like retaining moisture in your hair, and as well as it protects your hair from like the stripping of shampoo, because I am going to wash my hair with shampoo. So I usually use a co-wash, but prepping it for like braids and weaves and stuff, I just go ahead and use shampoo. Make sure it's super clean. But yeah, I'm just dipping my hand in this little jar, and my hands are coated. And I'm just going to go through my hair. Focus on the ends. Make sure it's all up in there. Alright, sorry that other clip got cut off. My phone, I was recording in 4K on my phone, and so like it takes up a lot more memory just recording a regular video, so it just like cut off. But anyway, so I pre-pooed the rest of my hair, and it's been on for like an hour and a half now. This is a cap. But yeah, it's really soft, really moisturized, but you see how it doesn't look like, you could see the product, but it's not like oily. Like it just looks like moisturized. My hair has already like soaked up some of the oil, because it was like hanging down when I first put the cap on. And sometimes I'll pre-poo like overnight, but I was too lazy yesterday. I would have did this, but I was too lazy. So look at the natural baby hair. Look at that baby hair laying down by itself. But yeah, it's really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. What I'm using today are actually new products I've never used before. I got these, I want to say about a week ago, from Influencer. If you don't know what Influencer is, it's an app. You can sign up, do surveys and stuff, and they'll send you for things to review. So I got a Carol's Daughter box. This is the new Wash Day Delight line. So they have a rose as far as I know, they have a rose line as well as an aloe line. I don't really like rose anything, so I chose aloe. So it sent me, well, they sent me the shampoo and the conditioner. So it's like a water, the shampoo is a water to foam shampoo, but it's not like water like out of the sink. It's micellar water. And then this one, the conditioner is a jelly to cream, so it kind of looks like Eco Styler a little bit, but it's a jelly to cream. So I like that it has like this applicator tip. So yeah, I'm not even gonna like, my hair is still kind of damp from the oils, so I'm gonna like, just so y'all can see some shampooing on camera, I'm gonna just go ahead and damp my hair with my spray bottle. As you can see, the water sitting on top, not mixing it with the oil. I'm gonna just wrap my towel. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty damp. My hair is so moisturized right now, like it's so crazy. So I already took like the seal off from the inside. It smells like very clean, so I'm just gonna it is foaming. Okay, foam. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, so my hair is fully saturated with the shampoo. As you can see, I'm just gonna take my scalp scrubber. I think I got this, I don't remember if I got this from the beauty supply store or Walmart, but I know it was like $1 from wherever I got it. And I'm just gonna massage my scalp, just to make sure the blood is flowing, because we want to make sure the hair keeps growing. Especially like in the back for me, because that is my trouble area. So, but it has been growing, so it feels so good. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I prefer to get my hair washed by somebody. Like, I love going to the salon and letting them wash my hair. So this just feels like when they're like scratching your scalp, because me doing it with my nails doesn't work. But this is like, oh. Want those edges to keep growing, flourishing. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and I'll be back to show y'all the conditioner. Alright, so you know, I just rinsed it all out. So I have my hair in the t-shirt. This is what it looks like. Oh, my hair be itching, y'all, but it's really like clean. A couple of the coils still in there. Oh, I hope that's not a tingle. Oh, thank God. Okay. Anyways, there's a couple of them in there, but my hair, it feels like clean. Leave that alone right now. It feels clean. It's soft. It's not, you know, sometimes when you wash your hair with shampoo, it feels like stripped. It doesn't do that. I don't know if it feels like that regularly after the shampoo, but I know since I did pre-poo, that's probably like a reason why. I can't even undo this right now, so this, oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Was not at the end. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. This is it. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna divide. I love how my hair just loves to stay in the middle part. But yeah. Put it in my hair. Put it in. The scent is really strong. Like it smells like perfume. My hair is not wet enough. Alright. Now this, it literally smells like perfume. It does stink, but it's my light. But it's just strong. I'm gonna finish doing this. Come back to y'all. This is the difference. This is my hair with the product in it. This is my hair without it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Easy Detangler brush. It's got hair in it because I use it. I'm just gonna detangle all the products in there. Ooh.
Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go. What? Look, you really had your own idea about how today should go, and it's not what we talked about at all. And that's okay, but it's also okay for me to not want to be here. Don't worry about it.
Whoa. Molly yours?
Yeah.
Shit. I don't know where you live. What do you want?
Just put it in a corner away from the house. I'll be right with you. Why are you acting like I've done something wrong? I'm not. Let's not make a big thing out of it, alright? We had plans, Jeff showed up, and those plans changed. Forgive me if I don't want to sit around and eat my feelings like you, Jeff, Lauren, and Dan will finger each other under the table.
I don't want to pay for this.
Have fun. Take my pictures.
Y'all, it smells so much like perfume. Like I can't. I'm so happy this isn't a deep conditioner. Okay. So this is the hair. Full of product. This is my phone. It's the back.
I am sorry I surprised you. But I didn't think you would say yes if I asked.
I don't know what it looks like, but I'll see when I look at this clip. So I'm gonna rinse my hair out with cool water. With conditioner, I always rinse it out with cool water. Promotes growth in your hair. And like I said, I'm all about growth. So I'm gonna wash this out, and we're gonna blow dry it, and we're gonna be done. Alright, so my hair is all blown out. I think I'm gonna go back through it one more time on cool because it's still kind of damp up here, but this is my hair. Yeah, I didn't blow dry my hair on camera just because I have like a really special way to blow dry my hair. I have a blow dryer with the comb attachment, and yeah, I use this for my heat protectant. Yeah, this stuff is fire. I'm almost out of it. This is what I use for heat protectant. It's the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. It's from Bumble and Bumble. I got this from Sephora when I was working. Yeah, that's my hair routine for getting my hair done. Get my hair done tomorrow. So I'm getting a sew-in. I haven't had a sew-in in like 3 years, so I'm excited. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Share it. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.